Isa pong maalab na hapon sa ating lahat, lalong-lalo na po sa ating mahal na National President, si Kuyang Crescencio Tangayan. Kasama na po ang ating mga grupo from Cebu na sina Secgen, Ricky Bulacan, si Chief of Staff Ramon Austria at iba pa pong national officers. Sa araw pong ito ay hindi ko po alam ang aking nafe-feel kasi po malaki pong katuparan ng aking mga isa sa pangarap ang makapaglingkod po sa ating pong mga kababayan, lalong-lalo na po dito sa Batangas. Again and again, sinasabi ko po, hindi ko po kayang buuin ang Tanawan City Maalab Tigers Club kung wala po kayong lahat. Napakagagaling po ng aking mga members sa pangunguna po ni Kuya Roman Leus, ang aking pong Vice President, at ang aking pong magaling na secretary, si Kuya Mark Rodelas, na siya po ang magiging incoming president po ng Lipa City Maalab Tigers Club. At of course, wala po kaming pondo, kundi po magaling maningil ang aming treasurer na si Kuya Joseph Manaig Mendoza. At ang buo pong tropa po ng Tanawan City Maalab Tigers Club ay buo pong suporta sa ating Lipa City Maalab Tigers Club. At we hope and pray na dadami pa po ang Maalab Tigers Club sa buo pong probinsya. Maraming salamat po.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as the National President of the Grand Fraternal and Sorority Order of Tigers under 2002 Book of Rules. Now, I call this chartering and installation of officers and members to orders.
Our distinguished guests, Extreme Grand Tigers, headed by our National President Kuya Crescencio Tangayan, fellow members, especially to our newest inductees, we are deeply pleased by your presence at this event that celebrates the chartering of the Lipa City Maalab Tigers Club and installation of its officers.
This chartering and installation symbolize the essence of unity and collaboration, enthusiasm, and dynamism of harmony and commitment are the most important of the brotherhood and sisterhood, as manifested by this African bounded by a common interest.
Ang event pong ito ay ang first chartering po ng Maalab Tigers Club ng Lipa City sa pangunguna po ni Kuya Mark Rodelas at ang 10 na po ng kanyang pong mga magiging member po dito sa Lipa City.
I hereby declare and fully accept and consider your province or your club to be formally affiliated and part of the Grand Fraternal and Sorority Order of Tigers. To all our brothers and sisters, welcome to the fold.
This important event is indeed memorable, along with the installation of the chapter president and its officers and members. to become a member of the Lipa City Maalab Tigers Club has been one of the best decisions you have made.
The chartering and installation of officers and members of Lipa City Maalab Tigers Club, I now call to the show.
You shall now become bona fide tigers. In this very moment, always remember and take to heart the duties, responsibilities, and commitment. And make her on forward as a tiger. Always keep in your heart the spirit and soul of this commitment.
Uphold the highest ethics of respect, courtesy, and delicadeza in my dealings with my brothers, my sisters, my club, with the provincial and national leadership. This I solemnly make oath. So help me God.
Congratulations to our new Tigers.
As we proceed with the formal and solemn ritual of inducting and installing the new charter president of the Grand Fraternal and Sorroral Order of Tigers, Tiger Mark Rudelas,
of all and every tiger,
This I solemnly make oath.
this I solemnly make oath.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Congratulations. As we venture down the road of uncertainties, we will be experiencing obstacles and trials. Yet, I am truly confident that what lies ahead for the order will be a path that will be traveled as one, where each and everyone committed will be nurtured and solidified as each day goes by. Kaya, sama-sama tayong lahat at maraming salamat. Mabuhay ang Grand Tigers! Mahina, mabuhay ang Grand Tigers! Umayong gabi sa inyong lahat.
As Charter President of Lipa City Maalab Tigers Club, officially adjourned.